Hi there, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another demonstration today. We have some brand new products here that we have launched. So I've got some lovely sentiment stickers and we've got some gorgeous round stickers. These are fantastic little add-ons for your card making projects or scrapbooking projects. We've also got some sticker stencils. Now these are a little bit different to your normal stencils in that they are sticky. We have a positive and a negative to these. So these peel off, as you can see. You can stick them down, they're repositionable. And we've got a heart here, we've got a leaf, we've got a robin, and we have blackbird as well. So there's 4 in a pack. So this is our leaf, and all I've done here is using the stencil brushes and the negative, I've just filled the colour in and then I've just embossed over the top. Here I've made a bookmark and I've just literally stuck on some sentiments. I've done a couple of little tags here using our round stickers. We've got our heart stencil sticker as well, that I've just created and added onto a bit of a textured background. And then we've got another leaf, and here I've used some of the Gilding Flakes on this to create that sort of lovely effect there, that coppery effect. We've got one of our birds, we've got another little heart, project, we've got our gorgeous little robin here. Again, I've just used one of the stickers. They're just really nice, simple and achievable. So today I am going to be using the leaf stencil. Now this isn't something I would normally do, so I'm a bit out of my comfort zone doing these, but I think that's really good to do that once in a while. Step out your comfort zone, do something completely different. Been really good fun, I've so enjoyed it. So I'm just going to line that up, pop that down. As I say, these are repositionable, so you can just peel it back off, pop it back down. So I've got a couple of colours here I'm going to use today. I'm going to go with some nice autumn colours. I've got my green, so I'm going to start with that. So literally just going over the top just to get that initial colour onto the card. I don't want it too dark. I want it dark around the edges, but I want it to remain quite light in the centre. So that's fine for that one. I'm now going to add some of the russet orange. I only want a hint of the orange, I don't want too much. Just around the edges. Okay. Now I'm going to move on to the Paprika, which is a little bit more red again. This time I'm just like literally flicking towards the centre. It's a little bit of a stronger colour, so I don't want to go overboard with it. And now I'm moving on to henna. Now, of course, you can use any colours you want, as you can see in some of the samples that I showed you earlier. I think the blue is just as effective. So I am adding some depth to this now, so I'm literally just kissing the edges with this deeper colour. Okay, I think I'm happy with that. So now I'm going to pick a verse and I'm going to use the VersaFine Clay. This is the Twilight. I'm going to ink up. First impression is going to be a little bit too dark, so I'm just taking a little off, and then I'm going to go over the top of that, and again take that off, good press over the top, and then the last one like so. So now let's peel this off and see what we've got. And as I say, all I'm going to do is stick that back on the sheet now. I'm going to give that a wipe down in a bit, and then it will be good to go for the next one. Okay, so we've got our lovely leaf there now. I just love that effect. It is so clean and sharp. So now I've got my two-way glue pen, and all I'm going to do is just put a few little dots around. Now this comes out blue initially. You want to wait until it goes completely clear. When it's at its tackiest, and then it's perfect then to put your gilding flakes over the top. And now I've got some of our gilding flakes here. This is Glamour. So I'm going to take some of these gorgeous flakes. These are really nice. They've got sort of pinks and they've got greens, blues in. They're quite a nice mix. This is now tacky. We're good to go, so we're going to just pop some of these flakes over the top. Now there's no easy way of doing this. There's lots of ways that people use the gilding flakes, and I literally just pinch a few, pop them over the top, give them a little bit of a rub on the areas where the glue is, and it will just hold on to that. Okay, so I'm going to grab my stencil brush now. This is a clean brush, a dry one, and I'm going to just rub over the top of that just to take any of the excess off. I'm just going to clean that up, and I'm hoping that you can see that lovely effect on there. Okay, so I will literally just trim that down now and mount it onto another card. As I say, some of the ones I've done here, exactly the same effect. That's another one that I did using the Gilding Flakes, slightly different, slightly smaller. We've got one here that I've used the Posca pen as dots to go around the edge. So you can see from that how quick, easy and effective and achievable these sticker stencils are. So something a little bit different today, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed today's demonstration, and I hope you have a chance to have a go yourselves at doing something the same. I'd love to see it. You take care, and I will see you very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.